Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Hamster Kombat to wallet. So for that, on iPhone, you have to first open your Telegram, and only through that you can open Hamster Kombat. So first step is to open your Telegram. Now after that, you can see this Hamster Kombat with the official ticker. Click on it. Now click on this play button, which is on the bottom left corner. Click on it. Now after you open your Hamster Kombat app, you can see this airdrop option on the bottom right corner. Click on it, and here click on connect your Ton wallet. Now again click on connect your Ton wallet, and after that you can see different wallet option that you can choose from. Here for an example, if I choose this safe wallet, then simply click on it. Now click on yes. Now it is going to ask for your Face ID. Now after the confirmation, simply click on this agree button here, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to add Hamster Kombat to wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.